Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a thought-provoking topic: 10 big religion-dominated countries that don't allow immigration. These nations have strict policies, often influenced by their dominant religions, to protect their cultural and religious identity. So, if you're curious about how religion and immigration intertwine, stay tuned till the end. And hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating content. Let's get started. Number 10. China. China, with its rich cultural and religious history, has always been a nation of intrigue. Although the government promotes atheism, the country is home to diverse religions like Buddhism, Taoism, and Confucianism, which shape its social fabric. China's immigration policies are among the strictest globally, driven by concerns over national security and social stability. The government carefully controls the influx of foreigners to maintain cultural homogeneity. Minority religious groups, such as Uyghur Muslims, face significant challenges, with reports of surveillance and restrictions. While Christianity is growing in urban areas, the Chinese government remains wary of foreign religious influence. These factors make China a complex nation where immigration is tightly regulated and religious minorities face unique struggles. Number 9. North Korea. North Korea, known for its isolationist policies, strictly limits immigration. The country's dominant ideology, Juche, emphasizes self-reliance and state atheism, leaving little room for religious influence. Foreigners are rarely allowed to settle, and those who do face intense scrutiny. While traditional religions like Buddhism and Confucianism exist, they are often overshadowed by the state's propaganda. Underground Christian communities operate in secrecy, risking severe persecution. North Korea's approach to immigration reflects its desire to maintain complete control over its population and culture, making it one of the most closed-off countries in the world. Number 8. Tajikistan. Tajikistan, a predominantly Sunni Muslim nation, has a unique approach to immigration. The government imposes strict regulations to control radical influences and preserve its cultural identity. Religious practices are heavily monitored, with bans on certain Islamic customs, such as hijabs in public schools. Christianity and Judaism have a small presence, but these minorities often face societal challenges. The government's focus on secularism and maintaining order significantly impacts its immigration policies. Tajikistan's stance highlights the tension between religious tradition and modern governance in shaping its national identity. Number 7. Iran. Iran, with its deep-rooted Shia Islamic traditions, has a complex relationship with immigration. The nation's policies are heavily influenced by Islamic law, prioritizing religious and cultural alignment. Foreigners are often required to conform to local customs, making it difficult for those from different faiths to integrate. Despite recognizing religious minorities like Christians, Jews, and Zoroastrians, Iran imposes restrictions on their freedoms. The country's immigration policies reflect its desire to uphold Islamic values while maintaining control over foreign influences. Iran's unique approach makes it a challenging destination for immigrants seeking religious or cultural diversity. Number 6. Algeria. Algeria, a North African nation dominated by Sunni Islam, has strict immigration policies aimed at preserving its Islamic identity. The government carefully regulates the entry of foreigners to maintain cultural homogeneity and prevent religious conflicts. Christianity and Judaism have historical roots in Algeria, but these communities are now small and often face limitations. The country's immigration policies highlight its commitment to safeguarding Islamic traditions while managing the challenges of modern migration. Algeria's stance reflects a broader trend in the region of balancing tradition with contemporary realities. Number 5. Africa. Africa is a vast continent with diverse religions, including Christianity, Islam, and indigenous faiths. Some African nations adopt strict immigration policies to protect their cultural and religious identity. For instance, nations like Sudan and Somalia enforce immigration restrictions influenced by their dominant Islamic beliefs. Indigenous faiths, though less dominant, play a significant role in shaping local cultures. The continent's approach to immigration varies widely, but the underlying theme remains a focus on preserving tradition and preventing external influences from disrupting societal harmony. Number 4. Morocco. Morocco, a predominantly Sunni Muslim country, is known for its rich history and cultural heritage. Its immigration policies are designed to maintain its Islamic identity and cultural integrity. The government imposes strict regulations on foreign settlers, particularly those from different religious backgrounds. While Morocco has a small Jewish community and growing Christian expatriate population, these groups often face societal and legal challenges. The country's approach to immigration reflects its commitment to upholding Islamic traditions while balancing the pressures of globalization. Number 3. Bahrain. Bahrain, a Gulf nation with a mix of Shia and Sunni Islam, has a unique approach to immigration. The country prioritizes economic migration over religious diversity, allowing expatriates to work but limiting their ability to settle permanently. Expatriate communities, including Christians and Hindus, play a vital role in Bahrain's economy but face restrictions in practicing their faith publicly. The nation's policies reflect its desire to protect its Islamic identity while leveraging foreign labor for economic growth. Number 2. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, the birthplace of Islam, is known for its strict adherence to Islamic law. The country's immigration policies are shaped by religious principles, prioritizing Muslim immigrants and imposing restrictions on non-Muslims. While expatriate communities, including Christians and Hindus, contribute significantly to the workforce, they face limitations on religious freedom. Saudi Arabia's immigration policies underscore its commitment to maintaining its Islamic heritage and cultural values. Number 1. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan, a Central Asian nation with a Sunni Muslim majority, adopts a selective approach to immigration. The government emphasizes cultural and religious alignment, making it challenging for immigrants from different faiths to integrate. The country also has a significant Russian Orthodox Christian population, reflecting its multicultural history. Kazakhstan's immigration policies highlight its efforts to balance Islamic traditions with the complexities of a diverse society. These 10 countries reveal how religion, culture, and governance intersect to shape immigration policies. From China's secular stance to Saudi Arabia's Islamic conservatism, each nation offers a unique perspective on preserving identity in a globalized world. What's your take on these policies? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos.